I'm Alicia Kellogg with Access Title Agency. Today I want to talk about a couple of ways buyers can take title in a property. It is important to decide which type of title is best for your situation, especially when thinking about the long term. So I'm going to start with tenancy by the entirety. In general, when a married couple purchases property in Michigan, it is presumed they purchased as tenants by the entirety, unless another type of estate is explicitly stated on the deed. In Michigan, tenants by the entirety hold under a single title. When one spouse dies, the property automatically passes to the surviving spouse, and that surviving spouse owns the property as a whole. And this cannot be defeated by one spouse conveying the property to a third party. The only way this could be defeated is by a partition action, for example, a divorce. But that is a whole different conversation. So now I'm going to talk a little bit about joint tenants with full rights of survivorship. With this tenancy, upon a co-owner's death, the decedent's share of the property transfers to the surviving joint tenants, not his or her heirs. Property held with rights to survivorship means that the last surviving tenant will own the property individually. A property is only held with rights to survivorship if the deed specifically states this. Joint tenancy is generally favored when owners want the property to transfer automatically to the remaining co-owners upon death, and they want to own the property in equal shares. So the use of rights of survivorship is necessary. If the deed merely states joint tenants, then it is not held with survivorship. And if the deed is totally silent on the type of ownership, the property is presumed to be held as tenants in common. So what type of language and how it is worded is extremely important in a deed. So it is important to take time and think about how you want to take title in the property and to consult an attorney if necessary. So that is just some of the basic information on two of the ways buyers can take title in the property. I want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. Be safe, enjoy the turkey and stuffing, and I will talk to you next month.